Safety talk number 99. Fuse boxes. The fuse is the weak link in an electrical circuit, designed to break and stop the flow of current when the circuit is overloaded. There are several types of fuses, and each type is made in different ratings. The fuse is the most important safety device in an electrical circuit. It protects workers from electric shock, equipment from dangerous overload, and the facility from fire. It can also be used to cut power to a line when maintenance is needed. When replacing a fuse, always use one of the same type. A different type may leave the circuit unprotected and could lead to serious consequences. Remember, a fuse that's correct for one circuit might be wrong for another. Always make sure the fuse has the same type and amperage as the one being replaced. If in doubt, ask your supervisor. Trying to keep a circuit running by using a high amperage fuse or placing a metal connector between fuse contacts will likely cause serious problems. If the correct fuse fails, it means something is wrong in the circuit. Forcing the system to stay active will lead to a dangerous overload. Before removing a blown fuse, or even a good one, always move the switch handle on the panel to their off position. Pull the switch handle down before touching the fuse. Then, use insulated fuse pullers to remove the fuse. If there's no switch handle on the panel, disconnect power from the source side. Before working on a fuse box, make sure the floor beneath you is dry. If there's moisture, do not begin until you have a dry wooden platform or a pair of insulated boots. When removing the fuse, turn your head away to protect your face from any possible spark. If you are removing the fuse to work on the line, attach a warning tag to the box so that no one replaces the fuse while you are working. For 440 volt lines or higher, cut the power using circuit breakers or disconnect switches. If possible, ground each phase of the circuit before working, and double-check with a voltmeter to be sure the circuit is not live. We want to highlight two main points. First, make sure every circuit in the facility is always protected with the correct type and amperage fuse. The fuse is the safety valve of an electrical circuit. Any action that removes a fuse or installs the wrong type leaves the circuit unprotected. All the power flowing through that line could now destroy lives and property. Never replace a fuse with the wrong type. Second, protect the worker when handling electrical circuits. All the power in the circuit passes through the fuse box. Take every precaution to avoid contact with a live conductor and prevent injury from shock or sparks. If you follow all steps and ask for help when unsure, there's no reason to have problems with fuse boxes.